Good morning students. In this video I am going to show how to create a query using design view and execute the following commands on the table employee. Okay, this is the 13th one and this is the table I am using employee for demo purpose. You can use any table according to your need. Okay, so first of all you create the table. Open the base, then it will open the table. Here already I create the table, so go to the edit option. So employee code, employee name, gender, department and salary. Then after that you enter the data as it is I am showing in the video. Okay, so employee code, employee name, gender, department, salary. So you can change the data also, you can enter the value as it is shown in the video. Okay, after that here you have to go to the query is that display the name, department and salary of all the employees. Okay, so here in this table query, for query where you have to go, queries, and here you have to select the create query in design view. Okay, so our table name is the employee table. Add the table, then close. Just if you want to display all the columns or just you drag it. Okay, so first question is that name you have to display. So name, here you have to take employee name, then department, you have to take the department, and salary. See, here you have to take the table name. Okay, so only first two queries that you have to display all the name, department and salary of all the employees. Then after that here you have to click on the run query or press F5 using your keyboard key. See here, this is the employment, department and salary we are taking in this way. Second query is that display the name, gender, department and salary of all the female employees. If you observe here in this table we are having male and female. I want only female staff from this table. Okay, how to create a query? So I will close this one. Again, second, create a query, design view, add the employee table, add, then close it. Now this time using the second one. What is our second query? Display the name, gender, department and salary of all female employees. So first, what is the first one here? Name, gender. First name, then gender, then name, gender, then department, salary. You take the table name, this one also, here also, here also, and see the condition here, salary of all the female employees. So criterion, okay, so gender, here you have to do the, see what you have entered in the table you have to remember. So you have entered the gender F, so M, so here I am entering F, capital F. Okay, now run the query. Here it is displaying all the females only. Similarly, if you want to display male, run the query, it will show the only male. So this is the condition. Okay, next is the What is the fourth condition? Display the records of all the employees in ascending order of the names. Okay, display all the employees. So all employees I am going to take employee name, gender, sorting. So remove this one. Okay, sort employee name only, sorting. Run the query. See here. Employee name, descending. This is the ascending and this is the descending. Okay. Next is the fourth one. Okay. Display the name, gender, salary and department of all the employees who are earning more than 60,000. Here two conditions are there. One is that we have to take only female employees and whose salaries are 60,000. For this we have to apply two conditions here in this query. So first, what is this? Name, gender, department we not need. So salary we can take here. Name, gender, salary and department also. Sorry, department. Right. And what is the condition? Female. What is the condition here? Gender. Here F. And what is the salary condition we have to take? Greater than 60,000. Okay, see here two conditions will be there. One is the female employees whose salary is more than 60,000. Two conditions you are applying and just you run the query. See here. Only females employed, 3 employees are the. In this way you can use the queries also for your query using design view and execute the following commands. Okay, thank you.